What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the 100 series. In particular, the ICW8. The 100 series is the first series in Focal's architectural lineup, and it's at a very reasonable price point. We also carry the 300 series and the Electra series. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, you gotta subscribe down below. We have so many home theater related videos, projectors, screens, amps, speakers. We have you covered with nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. All right, guys, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and take a look. If you guys aren't familiar with Focal, it's a really high-end manufacturer, and we actually offer their entire line. We got authorized as a direct dealer, so we can offer everything to you guys, and they gave us nationwide authority so we can ship right to your door. Free shipping, low price guaranteed. Really appreciate y'all's support, I swear. It's just incredible what this channel has become, and we really just have you guys to thank. Can't do it without you guys. You're awesome. Really appreciate it. Okay, so we're opening it up. First thing you see is a cutout template from Focal, and this is for this particular speaker. The way this works is it's just a little piece of cardboard that's the exact same dimensions as the speaker. So you put it on the ceiling, you cut it out, and then the speaker pops right into place. Now, before I get any further into this unboxing, I want to bring up another really cool feature that Focal offers, which is the pre-construction brackets. So if you guys are doing a custom home, or really any new construction home, you gotta get with us beforehand, before the sheetrock goes up, because these pre-construction brackets are very inexpensive, but man, does it make the process super easy. It's just these little plastic pieces, and you snap the arms on like this, and then this bolts in between your studs. So like imagine you had a stud here and a stud here. You can line it up perfect. And what I really like about this is, if you're a perfectionist like I am, you want everything super clean, right? So you want to line those up right in line with your can lights throughout the house. Not to mention, it's going to cut back on the install times dramatically, because you pre-wire your wire right to this little loop right here, this little hole, and wrap it around there. This is bolted in. The guys that are going to install the sheetrock around the entire house cut the hole for you, and then you just pop the speaker right into place. It makes things so easy. A little bit of planning goes a long ways. And if you guys would like help with this, we offer a free design service. All we ask is that you buy your product from us. Now, this is a little quick start guide. You scan the QR code on your phone and it'll show you exactly what you need to do to get this put in. When you're buying a product, doesn't matter what it is, guys, make sure you're buying from an authorized reseller. We really pride ourselves on the relationships that we've created with the manufacturers, and we ensure that you get a full manufacturer's warranty with every product that you purchase from us. When you're on the internet, you may save a couple bucks, but you may not have a warranty. You may not even get the product that you paid for. What we got here? Nice magnetic grills. Focal branded right here. Oh, this is really cool. Klipsch, the Pro Series, which we sell a ton of, also does this. They have a square grill option and they have a circular grill option. I like that because everybody has different personal tastes and different designs in their home, and aesthetically, it's quite a bit different. So you can get exactly what you like. Now the speaker, the good part. Let's pull this bad boy out. So I'm going to be making videos of The 100 series unboxing, like all the different series, LCRs, in-ceiling, in-wall, subs, all the good stuff on all these different series. So make sure you guys check out the other videos, because I'm also going to be comparing the 100 series versus the 300 series versus the Electra series, all the different technologies that's built into them. Now, one thing I do want to point out before we look at the speaker up close and personal is the packing material. One thing I've noticed as I've been unboxing all these products from Focal is that these are hand-built speakers made in France, and they have almost no fail rate, and they also pack the materials, the boxes really well, which for me is important as a company owner, because I want to make sure that my customers are getting the product in perfect shape. You know, we get tons of products that get to the client's home and they're damaged, and there's just nothing we can do about that. So having this extra packing material in there really makes me feel good about the quality of the product that I'm selling, as you can see. So I'm gonna bring you guys up close and just show you the speaker. So this is an in-wall, in-ceiling, two-way speaker. And it does have the 8-inch polyglass mid-bass right here. And then it has the 1-inch aluminum inverted dome tweeter. So this is kind of Focal's thing, is the inverted dome tweeter. And like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna go into detail on the differences between the series, but this one's aluminum, the next series up is an aluminum magnesium inverted dome, and then you got the beryllium. They have the HF level adjustment here. It's nice. These little screws, this is where you tighten it down, and whenever you do that, these little clamps pop out and clamp right onto your sheetrock right here. In this price range, it's a well-built speaker. Push button terminals, everything looks top-notch quality. 8 ohm speaker, 120 watt, max power. It's definitely more entry level, but really budget friendly. This would be a great distributed audio speaker throughout your house for just background music. Give you good quality but not break the bank. Okay, so let's talk about price. We have a price tag MSRP on this guy at $349. Not a bad price point for this quality of speaker. Again, if this isn't fitting your needs, look at the 300 series. Pretty significant upgrade. You know, the tweeter design, as well as they go to the flax woofer, which is a really cool makeup, something different that no other manufacturers offer. If you guys would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it helped you in making an educated buying decision. If you still don't know what you need, give us a call. We have a bunch of different options available for you guys. And again, we have that free design service. We really appreciate y'all's support. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.